Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. If you like our content, please hit that share button and share us to your social media. It really helps our channel grow.
Hey, welcome back, Rebel Canners. I am here with a quick cookbook review. I pulled one out of my cupboard that I use frequently, and I want to share with you. It is not a new cookbook. It's not even a canning cookbook specifically, but this is one cookbook that every cook should have on their shelf. If you do not have Diet for a Small Planet by Frances Moore Lappé, and I hope I pronounced that right, then you need to go out and get it. Whether you buy it at a thrift store or you buy it new, you need this book. If you are frugal, you need this book. If you are thinking that you want to try to do more meatless meals, or you're vegan or vegetarian, you need this book. And my friends, if you put yourself in the prepper category, just saying, and you don't own this book, go ahead and throw out your beans and rice because you don't know what you're doing with them. That's all I got to say right there. Everybody should own a copy of this book. It goes into detail. I took a class on dietary for nursing. Did not learn half of what was in this book about combining proteins to have complete proteins on a very frugal budget. And whenever I am poor and I can't afford a lot of things, I pull this book right back out of my cupboard and I look for some very frugal, easy to make, simple, complete protein meals that will nourish my family well. So if you don't own this book, go to a thrift store, go online, order it used, order it new, but you need to have this book, Diet for a Small Planet, from Frances Moore Lappé, on your shelf. Thank you, Rebel Canners.
A great day.